Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Though people have attempted to outsmart the weather for centuries, the mechanical air conditioner did not arrive in the US until Carrier invented it in 1902. The air conditioner, built to both cool a room and reduce humidity, was originally created to keep moist air in a printing plant from wrinkling magazine pages.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Brooklyn. In this artist's conceptualization, Willis Carrier starts the engine that will drive the world's first modern air conditioning system, installed in the summer of 1902 at the Sackett and Wilhelms printing plant in Brooklyn, New York.
Take our lead.
The air conditioner in a central heating and cooling system provides cool air through ductwork inside your home, by providing a process that draws out the warm air inside, removing its heat. From that point, the condenser or outdoor unit then turns the refrigerant vapor back into a liquid, removing any heat.
Take our lead.
Ralph Peyo. On October 7, 1935, Ralph Peyo of Howd Engineering, Buffalo, New York, applied for a patent for an air cooling unit for automobiles. U.S. Patent 2,099,227, was granted on November 16, 1937. In 1939, Packard became the first automobile manufacturer to offer an air conditioning unit in its cars.
Take our lead.
Charles Babbage of England invented first mechanical computer in early 19th century, while first analog computer was invented by Irish mathematical physicist Sir William Thomson in 1872. First automatic and digital computer was invented by a German engineer Konrad Zuse in 1941, which was named Z3.
Let's help you make your mark.
1950s. In the 1950s, thanks to increased American prosperity after World War II, air conditioning units first became widely affordable. Everyday Americans were able to buy room units and enjoy cool comfort year-round. In 1953 alone, 1 million air conditioners were sold.
Let's help you make your mark.
1940. The 1940 Packard was the first car to offer factory-installed air conditioning. By 1969, more than half of all new cars sold were equipped with AC. Some brands affixed window decals to promote their air-conditioned automobiles.
Let's help you make your mark.
Willis Carrier, a 25-year-old experimental engineer, created a primitive cooling system to reduce humidity around the printer. He used an industrial fan to blow air over steam coils filled with cold water. The excess humidity would then condense on the coils and produce cooled air.
Let's help you make your mark.
Experts warn that rising temperatures can strain air conditioning units, turning them into fire hazards if they are not properly cared for. According to a 2016 report from the National Fire Protection Association, air conditioners cause an average of 20 deaths, 140 injuries, and $82 million in property damage annually.
Let's help you make your mark.
The first modern air conditioner was invented in 1902 by Willis Haviland Carrier, a skilled engineer who began experimenting with the laws of humidity control to solve an application problem at a printing plant in Brooklyn, NY.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.